So here we are at a place for little sprouts to grow. We're checking out this big tree. Yeah, what happened to it?
It fell down.
Fell down. There's a crazy squirrel over there. I thought this tree probably used to be the squirrel's home. It has all these cool holes in it where they used to nest. We even had wood ducks nest in it. So show me that hole.
Wood duck hole.
That was the wood duck hole. It might have been the wood duck hole. Probably should have brought out a flashlight there. Move your finger. Yeah, we can see all those leaves in there. Used to be a good nest. Sandra's got another nest. Show me your nest.
Probably wood duck.
Huh?
Probably wood duck.
Wood duck. So this is probably the bottom of the nest. It's snowing right now. It's April and we're seeing very up and down weather. That's the bottom of the nest. You see it's got leaves in it. Some fibrous material. Where's the hole of that nest? You don't know? The hole of that nest? Yeah, is down here underneath. It was down there.
We could be able to make a fire by these.
Somebody lived in there. Are there any other holes? I didn't see. Oh yeah, there's two more down here. You want to look at them, Renee?
Yeah.
I have to climb over all the fallen stuff. Let's see, was there anything in here?
Yeah, there's a. That looks like squirrel.
Ah, yeah. That's a good hole. We're hoping that no babies were lost in the falling of this tree, right?
Yeah. I wonder what this was. Oh, it looks like squirrels again.
Ooh, don't see anything really in there with the camera. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Mama. Oh, another hole.
A little hole there?
Mama.
Yeah, Renee.
Still got some leaves in it.
That has leaves all the way down there? Probably.
Fire near the tree.
What? Can we make a fire on this tree? I don't think so, because it goes across our driveway. You see?
Near it. Like, I guess right here.
I don't think today. Here comes Papa around to cut up the tree. Alright, say goodbye to the video.
Bye.
That's the end of checking out our tree. It's going to be chopped up
But I want to
and taken off our driveway so that we can drive out.